फेस भी तो कितना स्ट्रांग बीच वाला है। एक सेकंड ने हो रहा था इसका बिजी क्या काम कर रहा हूँ तो बिजी हूँ। हाँ जब आनंद पांडे जैसे छुट्टी आदमी बिजी रहता है। हाँ यहाँ खत्म हो गया बस बाइक ही बाकी है थोड़ा सा
स्पोर्ट्स का ये सीज़न 2 ऑफ द लीग है, हमारा प्रो और चैलेंजर लीग, और साथ ही साथ हमारा एक इवेंट है कॉल्ड द इंडियन पिकल बॉल ग्रैंड स्लैम। ये पिकल बॉल का सबसे बड़ा इवेंट है दुनिया का। इसमें टोटली सब कुछ मिला के ऑलमोस्ट 4.5 से 5 करोड़ का प्राइज़ मनी है। लीग का जो प्लेयर्स हैं वो लोग ऑलमोस्ट 6 करोड़ रुपए कमा के जाने वाले हैं। एंड इन टर्म्स ऑफ पार्टिसिपेशन ऑलमोस्ट 1600 लोगों ने पार्टिसिपेट किया है इस इवेंट में, जो इसे इंडिया का सबसे बड़ा इवेंट बनाता है। तो हम लोग सब बहुत खुश हैं, बहुत नर्वस भी हैं, चाहते हैं कि पूरी मुंबई वाले लोग और इंडिया से लोग आके इवेंट को लाइव देखें, और अगर वो यहाँ पर लाइव नहीं देख सकते हैं तो Z5 पे लाइव देखें और YouTube पे लाइव देखें। तो पिकल बॉल शानदार तरीके से इस देश में ग्रो हो रहा है, बहुत सारे लोग अब खेलने लगे हैं। आप सुन सकते हैं इस बॉल की आवाज़ सबको सुनाई दे रही है, और बहुत मज़ेदार गेम है। और हम यही चाहते हैं कि प्रो लेवल पे भी प्रमोट हो, कम्युनिटी लेवल पे भी प्रमोट हो, और जितने भी देशवासी हैं ये गेम का आनंद उठा सकें।
कितनी
नासिक, कोयम्बटूर, हैदराबाद, बेंगलोर, चेन्नई, और मैं अगर कुछ मिस कर दिया तो मिस कर दिया, बट 10 शहरों से टीम है, 10 टीम ओनर्स हैं, 100 प्लेयर हमारा लीग खेल रहे हैं। अगले 17 तारीख से लेके 23 तारीख तक वो रोज़ शाम 4 से लेके 10 तक इस लीग को खेलने वाले हैं। तो प्लीज़ आप लोग सब देखें।
एज कैटेगरी क्या है? मैं सुना बहुत छोटा बच्चा भी एक है।
हमारे जो सबसे छोटा पार्टिसिपेंट है वो इस कैटेगरी में 13 साल का है, और जो सबसे बड़े पार्टिसिपेंट है वो 80 साल के हैं। तो सब लोग खेल रहे हैं, सब लोग इसका आनंद उठा रहे हैं, सब लोग मज़े कर रहे हैं।
एक मिनट सर, म्यूजिक
This is the Indian Pickleball Grand Slam for the first time ever at the Global Sports Pro and Challenger League here in Mumbai. It is officially the biggest pickleball party ever. Can you hear it? For the Ahmedabad Olympics, the Jaipur Stallions, the Delhi Snipers, the Nashik Ninjas, the Bengaluru Blazers, I can't hear you. The Mumbai Chhatrapati Warriors, the Kolkata Kings, the Hyderabad Vikings, the Coimbatore Super Smashers, and of course in an all-new avatar, Madras Marinas. And all of this belongs to the men of the who continue revolutionizing the sport of pickleball in India. Can we call Mr. Shashank Khetan, Mr. Neeraj Jain, Mr. Divyan Jain, Mr. Hemal Jain, of course Yuvraj Ruya. We hear it for these men. Be it the Monsoon Pickleball Championship, be it the Indian Open, tournaments year after year that promote Indian talent and give global athletes a chance to shine on Indian soil. Yuvraj, I want to hear from you first. How proud do you feel at this point? This is just such an incredible moment in time for Indian pickleball and pickleball all over the world. I mean, as you said, people from 17 countries, 16 states in India, all the team owners, everybody here, thank you so much for being here. It's truly a dream come true, and let's pickle it up this week, guys. Let's do this.
Chinmay, you've got a team owner. Let's head over to you now.
Good evening, Mumbai. Let's hear it for the Grand Slam as the ballers. I'm your host with the most, Chinmay Sharma. I don't think I've seen a better bunch of looking owners, while in sports. Let's get to a couple of them. We've got the reigning champions, the Delhi Snipers. Akash, you said you were talking, right? Right. So Akash, I'm going to start with you guys. All the Delhi Snipers, you guys are defending champions, but you got target on your back. Pressure, what pressure? No pressure. Absolutely not. Is there any team you look at and say, I'll have fun beating this team?
Yeah, I think they're all really good teams. I'm excited.
Alright, that's it. Short and sweet. I love it. Sarthak, back to you, buddy.
All right, and of course, we have the highly energetic Coimbatore Super Smashers to my right. Ritika Arjun leading the charge. How are you feeling? How's the mood?
Pretty fun for a excited group, and I definitely would like to be Delhi down, sorry.
So Coimbatore has their eyes on the defending champions, the Delhi Snipers. Arjun, your thoughts?
I mean, as Safa shares, so like really happy and excited, and I think we've done a great job. That's no question.
Right, and all of this that we are here for today is for the shining silverware to my left, these glittering trophies. And how about we unveil them right away? Calling now the president of the Indian Pickleball Association, Mr. Suryaveer Singh Bhulan, to unveil these gorgeous looking trophies for which all of us will witness these athletes fight in 3, 2, 1. Here we go! This now sets us up for a Rumble Fest like never seen before on a pickleball court, where the best of the best will go up against each other on center court. So stay tuned for that, because all these 10 teams will be right here now, in moments from now. So stay tuned. We'll be joining you from the commentary box. Don't go anywhere and stick around.
यस सर
तो ऐसे यही मज़ा है, म्यूज़िक भी है, पार्टी भी है, गेम भी है, तो सबको उसका मज़ा लीजिए।
फ्यूचर कैसे देखते हैं आप पिकलबॉल स्पोर्ट्स का? ये सेकंड सीजन है जब नॉट वेरी न्यू स्पोर्ट इन इंडिया, तो
बिल्कुल।
फ्यूचर कैसे देखते हैं?
आप सोचिए, हमारा ऑलरेडी सेकंड सीज़न है, पूरी दुनिया, पूरा देश ऑलरेडी पिकलबॉल के बारे में बात कर रहा है। तो हमारा मानना ये है कि बहुत जल्द ये इंडिया का नंबर 2 गेम होने वाला है। क्रिकेट तो हम सब जानते ही हैं नंबर 1 गेम है और हमें सबको उससे मोहब्बत है, पर जिस हिसाब से ये गेम बढ़ रहा है, जिस हिसाब से लोग इसे खेलना चाह रहे हैं, मुझे ऐसा लगता है बहुत जल्द ये इस देश का नंबर 2 स्पोर्ट होगा। और इसके कारण एथलीट्स को, कोचेस को, वेन्यू ओनर्स को और बहुत सारे लोगों को एम्प्लॉयमेंट भी मिलेगा, और इससे इस गेम का इकोसिस्टम और स्ट्रॉन्ग है।
जैसे महिलाएं भी है कुछ लेडीज, मतलब
बहुत सारी महिलाएं, इनफैक्ट जो हमारा लीग है उसमें 50% मेन है, 50% विमेन है। जो हमारे पार्टिसिपेंट्स भी हैं उसमें ऑलमोस्ट 40% विमेन है। तो बहुत सारी लेडीज़ गेम खेल रही हैं, प्रोफेशनल लेवल पे भी और एमेच्योर लेवल पे भी। तो दैट इज़ व्हाट मेक्स दिस गेम यूनिक। ये बहुत बड़ी कम्युनिटी फॉर्मेशन है, एक परिवार मिलके ये गेम खेल सकता है, और जिसके कारण इस गेम की इतना आप ग्रोथ देख रहे हैं।
फ्यूचर किस तरह से है, क्या कुछ आगे होने वाला है? यू सेड इट्स द सेकंड सीजन, व्हाट इज कमिंग नेक्स्ट इन दिस?
जी, हमारा स्कोप यही है कि हम और सारे फैसिलिटीज़ पे काम करना चाहते हैं। हम चाहते हैं कि हमारा लीग सीज़न 3 पे जाए। हम कोशिश कर रहे हैं इसे और बड़ा और बेहतर कैसे बनाएं, और बड़ा और बेहतर सिर्फ इन टर्म्स ऑफ पैसा या नंबर्स नहीं, बट इन टर्म्स ऑफ क्वालिटी। हम चाहते हैं कि और ज़्यादा इंडियंस ये गेम खेलें। हम चाहते हैं कि हमारे लीग में ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा पार्टिसिपेंट्स इंडियंस हों, और हमारी कोशिश वही है। हम उस इकोसिस्टम पे काम कर रहे हैं, और हम बहुत जल्द देखना चाहते हैं कि ये गेम हर इंडियन खेले।
थैंक यू सर।
थैंक यू सो मच।
So we're hosting the Global Sports Pro and Challenger League. It's the biggest pickleball party in India. We have players from 17 countries, 16 states in India, and we have 1,500 participants in the tournament. There's 5 crores cash up for grabs, and it's going to be an amazing week of pickleball.
It is one of the biggest sports event in pickleball across the world. This is what we heard. Tell us about
Absolutely. So pickleball first blew up in America, but India in the last few years, with the help of global sports, has quickly been catching up, and it's one of the biggest sports pickleball events in the world. We are hosting over here at Andheri Sports Complex in Mumbai. As I mentioned, 5 crore cash prize up for grabs. That's the biggest cash prize ever hosted in pickleball in the world, and we have some of the best players from all over the world all come down to Mumbai to play our league and our tournament.
It is happening and maybe West post about the dates and timing the events from today.
Yeah, absolutely. So we'll be hosting the event from today, the 16th of December, all the way to the 23rd of December, where the finals of the league and the Grand Slam will be played, and it's all happening over here at Andheri Sports Complex in Mumbai. The event is on all day. So from 8 a.m. to 10 p.m., all these 20 pickleball courts will be in action, and you'll have people playing from morning to night.
So how do you see the future of pickleball in India as a growing sport?
Yeah, absolutely. So I think one, I see a lot of amateurs and recreational players really taking to this game. So pickleball, it's very easy to play. People of all ages can play, even people who are older in their 60s and 70s, people who have not played sports before, it's very easy for them to play. The paddle is very right, not a lot of movement is needed. So you're going to see a lot of people all over India, tier 2, tier 3 cities, older people, more women playing the sport, which is very nice. And then on the professional side, as you can see, Global Sports is putting on such big events. It gives an opportunity for Indians to make a career and to make good money playing the sport that they love.
What do you think about the future course of this event or this sports in India?
I think pickleball in the next few years will be the number 2 sport in India, just after cricket. Pickleball will be the second most sport played. Already there are like 500 plus courts in Mumbai, there are 400 courts in Ahmedabad, and the sport is growing so fast day by day. There are more players starting to play, there are more courts starting to come, and it's just a lot of fun. Everybody really enjoys playing this game.
Thank you.
Thank you.
So you are the broadcasting partner for pickleball event. It's one of the biggest international event happening in India. Tell us about your association with this event.
So I'll tell you what, Z as a broadcasting network, our intent is to bring the best of the sporting events to the country. We've just ventured in sports, and there is regional, which is our focus area now. What we are also doing is a lot of emerging sports is what we are associating with. So we just completed baseball, we did paddle, we are planning to do taekwondo, and pickle becomes another sport that we are now broadcasting and bringing on to the audience that we have. The intent is to introduce these kind of emerging sports to India and get a new audience base altogether who are not so bored with cricket but also wanted to explore something really new. So that's what the intent is from a Z standpoint.
So it is being said that pickleball will going to be the second biggest sport in India very soon. Tell us about your views on that.
So honestly, we hope that to happen. That is, I think only the time will say whether it will become or it will not. But yeah, we are very positive because we've seen the kind of response that we are getting. We've seen the kind of crowds that have turned up and the kind of matches that's happening. So I think that's really a positive sign for a sport as such. And we look forward to all of these emerging sports coming up and becoming big over a period of time.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much.